Today I am telling about the human respiratory system, lungs, which is surrounded by rib cage and sternum, vertebral column and diaphragm. Firstly, air moves through nasal passages and goes to the trachea, larynx, trachea. Then trachea terminate into bronchi. Bronchi terminate into balloon-like structure that is known as alveoli, where exchange of gases occur. Oxygen gas enter and carbon dioxide expel out by the process of diffusion, high concentration towards the low concentration. Your lungs contain millions of alveoli where exchange of gases occur. Now I am showing three pathways of breakdown of glucose. Means food breakdown into glucose and glucose breakdown into pyruvate in cytoplasm. If oxygen is present, then process occur in mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell, which release energy in the form of ATP. If oxygen present, then process occur in mitochondria. Pyruvate will change into carbon dioxide, water and 38 ATP energy release. This is known as Krebs cycle. If oxygen not present, then process occur in cytoplasm. That is known as anaerobic respiration. Absence of oxygen when you taken heavy exercise, then become lactic acid and 2 ATP energy. And in some organism like yeast, absence of oxygen, ethanol, carbon dioxide plus 2 ATP energy. Absence of oxygen not, lack of oxygen, because your body did not remove all oxygen. So lack of oxygen, lactic acid plus 2 ATP energy. Now I am showing different organism have different respiratory organ. In fish, breathe through gills, insect breathe through trachea and mammals breathe through their lungs. Thank you.